welcome back, my Skibbity Toilet Rizzlers. Today we're back in another Beastform Simulator.
Did you just say?
Uh,
What did you just say?
Nothing.
Yeah, this is totally Beastform Simulator, guys.
Yeah.
Totally Beastform Simulator.
We kind of
Look at our bees. We have this is a new update. We got the Electro Bee, a new update. We got a haughty Fire Bee. We got this. Who got that Sigma Riz, but is as slow as a woman. Be quiet. Stop being skibbity. I'm gonna go buy an egg. Alright, I bought an egg, chat.
Stop. I must call you by your
A basic egg. I don't want scared bee. I don't want really bee.
Huh?
I want brave bee. I want cool bee. I don't want electric bee. I don't want bomber bee. I don't want brave bee. I don't want fire bee. I don't want scared bee. I don't want brave bee. I don't want bomber bee. Give me a royal jelly now. Oh.
Sussy baka. I don't know what that means.
I don't want a Wiley bee. Wiley bee's so ugly. Ugh.
Shut up.
You shut up.
Okay, so you guys, I don't know if this video is gonna be uploaded before the 1.5 or after. Yeah, I don't know. It might be uploaded before.
What do you mean?
Uploaded after.
Why are you telling them in the video?
We'll see.
You're breaking the fourth wall!
I just
Stop
realized!
breaking the fourth wall!
Wait, how am I breaking the fourth wall?
You're talking about a video inside the video. Help me! He's trapping me inside the simulation. Help me!
I hate those like beggars that are just like, guys, make sure to like this video.
Subscribe! The Skibbity Toilet's gonna risk me!
Let's get to 100k likes. If I get to 100k likes, I'm gonna do a foot review. So the next like I get,
me, or
every like I get,
trying to break into
my hair. I don't know why, but people to do these reveals, they like to torture themselves. Like they like to do something to torture themselves so that the reviewers actually have fun.
Guy who rolls a bowling ball and then it always hits his nuts for some reason. Every time it just hits his nuts. And he's like, yeah! And has thousands of likes. Because he keeps putting himself in purposeful pain. And his nuts, he's probably not going to be able to have any children. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to say every single cuss word for every like on this video. Like, come on.
Carmen's gonna like, I know it. Watch Carmen just like it. Because, wait, I'm pretty sure that my little brother...
Every single like this video, guys, I will say one... What?
Pretty sure that my little brother watches my YouTube channel.
Hey!
Don't say his name.
Every single like... Every single... You mean, Michelangelo?
My other brother. Oh, you could say my older brother's name because he already He has a YouTube channel and he says his name on it. So like you're okay to say his name
No,
on it.
I'm gonna call him Michelangelo. I'm gonna call your other brother Leonardo da
No,
Vinci,
you
even though
can't
he's
call
not an artist.
that because I had. Okay, it's fine.
No,
Whatever. No one's gonna
it's
actually.
I can't call him Leonardo da Vinci.
Oh yeah, you
I
can
can't
call
call him
him that.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Yeah, you can call him that. That's
He's
fine.
even though he's not an artist, he is definitely not an artist. I'm better than him. Fight me! Fight me!
Are we talking
Did
about
you
like?
say fight me? No.
Are we talking about like Uzi from like Doors? I wish I could edit it
What?
and put like a picture of her, but like not from Doors, from Murder Drones. What?
I
I'm
was
saying
so confused.
Uzi from
Oh,
Murder Drones. I wish that I could put a picture of
not
her on the screen, but like I can't because I don't know how to edit on my laptop.
eyes on me. I don't feel safe here. I don't feel like this is actually Beast Home Simulator.
Yeah, same.
I don't feel safe here. We
Wanna
should
get
probably
whacked?
stop being in this. Can we go back to the original dimension?
No, because
Please not be in this weird dimension.
I'm doing a quest. You want to see something cool that I can do? Whack, whack.
Running
I
away.
can whack you while I'm in the
After your
air.
quest, can we finally stop being
Yeah.
in this weird dimension?
Yeah, we'll pause the video and then we'll go back to the actual one. So we have to quit because we're right now playing in like a Walmart, so we have to get out of it.
Dimension. This is lore. Shh, 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 shh. This is lore. Wait, why are we even in this dimension again?
Because we've been at Walmart for 3 years. No, wait, we played a Beastborn Simulator at Walmart, and then this is what
Uh,
happened.
I don't know how we got here, but all
Wait,
I know is that we went to McDonald's. We ordered the 3 a.m. Skibbity Toilet Happy Meal, and then we went to Walmart to eat it. Someone was about to pull out an 18 mm shotgun, and then we just got here.
yeah, we don't know how we got here. Skibbity, wake up! I don't like this.
No, 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 no,
Skibbity,
no, no,
wake
no,
up!
no. I'm
Time to
saving
wake
your
up, time
eardrums.
to
I'm
wake
saving you.
Skibbity,
I'm in
wake up!
pain.
I don't
I'm in
like this.
pain.
Skibbity, wake up! Hey, hello. Time to wake up, time to wake up. Can you hear me? Skibbity, skibbity, skibbity.
I don't like this dimension anymore. Can we go back to our actual dimension now? I'm really scared. No, that's it. I'm escaping. I'm escaping this weird
Yeah.
dimension. I'm going back to Beast
I
Home
made
Simulator.
it out with a ladybug.
Yeah, can we go back to Beast Home?
Sure. Okay, guys, we'll see you there.
I'm gonna do.
Okay, Pookie Wookie Bear, so we're back.
Everybody, my name is Markiplier, and today we are playing Five Nights at Freddy's.
My game is so laggy in this storm. I hate this.
Ah, what
Look!
the heck? You're floating! What did you? What? Oh my gosh! You need to see it at my end of the screen. I'm screen recording this. Oh my, what the thing? What the Sigma? I'm gonna show you this video. I'm gonna show you these clips after the video, but what the Sigma?
I believe
What the
I
Sigma?
could die.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma? How are you so laggy? If you can edit this part in the video. You can show how bad it is. Mountains of content. Skibidi toilet risk.
Someone's sending me a trade. Should I accept it? Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's see
sure.
what they have to offer. Bro, they're
Who
giving
sent
me
you a trade
these
request?
like leaves. I accepted. I didn't
Damn
give
them.
them anything. I'm not sure if that's what I was supposed to do.
Let me see. What's my most useless sticker?
You want to see the stuff that I
3
got?
stingers I need. This one. What would you trade for a pumpkin that gets you 3 soft waxes when you put it in a sticker stack?
I don't know what this is, but
Yeah, what the Sigma gets me tickets. So should I put all my stickers in the sticker stack?
wait. What if
Follow me. You want to know where the sticker stack is? It's somewhere you can go. And why are you so laggy? Walk. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh my, what the heck? What the heck? Oh my god. No way.
I told you I was gonna lag. In that game, I did not lag at all.
Did you to just be lagging and teleporting? Not being as slow as hell. No, spider. Kill it. We got mountains of skibbity toilet with some reason a pop.
I found a royal jelly. Give me the royal jelly. I would like the royal jelly.
Did you grab it?
What? Royal jelly? Yeah.
Did you grab the royal? Yeah. 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 Oh shoot! I fell. Where am I? Come to me. Come to me, Pookie. Mwah. Let's go. Werewolf! Be his skull! Look, I don't even have to move. I don't even have to move. I don't even have to move. And I get a ticket from that. Oh, that's a Sigma. Alright, let's go. What the heck? You're barely moving, girl. When you open your parachute, you're like stuck in midair.
I can't get up.
Because you're lagging so much. Okay, let's go. I don't care about honeybees, so honeybee isn't what I gave you. What the heck? Oh my god. Time to put another sticker in the sticker stack. I'm gonna put the leaf that you just gave me. That's mine. Yes, yes.
Look at how laggy I am.
Put a sticker in the sticker stack.
I'll put a leaf in. I don't.
We can see which one you put in.
Okay, guys, I think it's time to end the video because I'm getting more laggy as this video progresses.
Then what are we gonna do for the next part? Sigma Queen?
I don't know, but bye.